Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, the sun's setting, and your car isn't just a car, it's your co-pilot. A machine so advanced it feels like it's reading your mind. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, buckle up, because the 2026 Renault Captur is here, and it's about to blow your mind. This isn't just another compact SUV, it's a tech-packed, future-forward ride that's redefining what it means to drive smart. But here's the real question. Is it the ultimate choice for you? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to trade in your old ride for this game changer. Let's dive in. First impressions matter, and the 2026 Renault Captur doesn't just make an impression, it makes a statement. With its sharp aerodynamic lines and bold LED lighting, this car looks like it just drove out of a concept showroom. But it's not just about looks, it's about function. The sleek design isn't just for show, it improves aerodynamics, making your drive smoother and more efficient. And let's be real, parallel parking can be a nightmare. But with the Captur's 360-degree camera and automated parking assist, you'll be sliding into tight spots like a pro. No sweat, no stress. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like it belongs in a luxury sedan. Premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof that lets you soak in the sky. This is where design meets comfort. But wait, it gets better. The tech inside this car, it's next level, and that's where we're heading next. Let's talk tech, because the 2026 Renault Captur isn't just a car, it's a rolling smart device. Starting with the infotainment system, a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen that's as intuitive as your smartphone. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a voice assistant that actually understands you. No more yelling at your car like a maniac, right? But here's where it gets wild. The Captur comes with augmented reality navigation. That's right, your directions are projected onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. It's like having a GPS from the future. And speaking of the future, let's talk safety. The Captur is packed with advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even a fatigue detection system that knows when you're getting tired. It's like having a guardian angel on the road. But what if I told you this car can almost drive itself? Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal the feature that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about driving. All right, let's get to the fun part, performance. The 2026 Renault Captur isn't just about looking good and being smart. It's about delivering a drive that's as thrilling as it is smooth. With a hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, this car delivers power and efficiency in perfect harmony. 0 to 60 in just under 7 seconds. Yeah, this compact SUV has some serious pep. And with multiple driving modes, you can switch from eco-friendly cruising to sporty adrenaline in a heartbeat. But here's the kicker, the Captur's autonomous driving mode. That's right, on highways, this car can take over steering, acceleration, and braking, giving you a taste of the self-driving future. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into what's next. So, is the 2026 Renault Captur the ultimate compact SUV? Well, there's one more thing you need to know before you make up your mind. The 2026 Renault Captur is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement that you value cutting-edge technology, bold design, and a driving experience that's ahead of its time. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a design lover, or just someone who wants a reliable and futuristic ride, the Captur checks all the boxes. So what are you waiting for? The future of driving is here, and it's called the Renault Captur. If you're ready to take your driving game to the next level, this is the car for you. But hey, if you're still on the fence, why not check out another futuristic ride? Click here to watch our video on the 2025 BMW X8, the most attractive full-size premium SUV on the market. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, the road ahead is yours to conquer. See you in the next video.